In this review, without the added benefit and security afforded by a steel cage with airbags, seatbelts, and crumple zones, motorcycle riders are exposed to markedly more hazards than the drivers of the four-wheeled machines with which they share the roads. And while riding on two wheels is objectively more dangerous than driving, motorcyclists can massively mitigate their likelihood of an injury by arming themselves with a quality set of protective riding gear. Please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. Top 5 Best Motorcycle Boots for Beginners. Let's get started. Number 5. Workland 77414 Motorcycle Boots Men. If you are searching for motorcycle boots, the Workland 77414 Motorcycle Boots Men review on our list is ideal for you. Double density sole, rubber plus PU. High traction and comfort combined in one place, reflective lines plus reflective buckle strap. Eyelets with air ventilation technology. Aerodynamic but ultra comfortable. Ergonomic design, protecting fingers, feet, and ankles. Up to 6 inches in boot height. Reflective lines for greater visibility, air inlets, and outlets on ankles and feet. Freshness throughout your journey, Velcro plus adjustable buckles. Number 4. Still Martin Men's Rocket Motorcycle Boots. The next product we have got on our list is the Still Martin Men's Rocket Motorcycle Boots. Here are some Cafe Racer style boots for your Cafe Racer style motorcycle. These classy and high quality boots feature a full grain leather construction married to a waterproof lining and an anti-slip/oil resistant rubber sole. The Still Martin Rocket boots aren't just for looks either. They have internal malleoless PE protection on both sides of the boot, and the toes are double reinforced to prevent wear from your shifter. If you're a vintage riding enthusiast willing to put looks before safety features, these are always a great selection. Number 3. Alpinestars Men's SMX6 Motorcycle Boot. If you're looking for a motorcycle boot with Alpinestars Men's SMX6 Motorcycle Boot, ergonomic last for forefoot streamlining to enable greater control of the bike's controls and for superior, wide-ranging foot profile, fit, and comfort. The newly designed boot upper incorporates innovative front, rear bellow, and rear calf zones for superior levels of flexibility. The upper is constructed from microfiber for durability and abrasion resistance. Internal toe box protection is layered under the upper for durability, improved feel, and performance. The new, removable anatomic footbed includes EVA and Lycra for performance, comfort, and support. Number 2. Alpinestars Coralzone Adventure Drystar Boots. More than 85 5-star reviews praise the Alpinestars Coralzone Adventure Drystar Boots for its portability. The Alpinestars Coralzone Adventure Drystar Boots are marketed as solid ADV boots that are also comfortable for spending time hiking/walking off the bike. There's not much of a point in riding an ADV bike up the side of the mountain if you aren't planning on doing some on-foot exploring once you reach your destination. The mid-height design is great for wandering around on foot while still providing protection on the road, and the vulcanized rubber compound sole will stay nice and grippy for exploring. When it comes to impact resistance, the boots feature TPU shin plates and ankle protection in addition to the heel and toe reinforcement areas. They are fully waterproof and lightweight as well. Number 1. Forma Adventure Low WP Boots. The Forma Adventure Low WP boots are the best motorcycle boots for beginners you can buy this year. The Adventure boot by Forma is a formidable contender when compared to the other ADV options in this list, given the fair price point and option for a low-cut version for riders with larger calves. These CE safety certified boots are constructed with a full-grain oiled leather upper, and they have an interior lined with Drytex weatherproof poly material to keep you dry. Due to the harsh nature of ADV riding, you need to make sure your boots are constructed well and backed by tons of positive reviews from long-term owners. These boots are just that, with over 150 reviews on Revzilla and features such as unbreakable GH buckles, an anti-slip rubber sole, and ankle TPU internal molded plastic protection. Trust me when I say the Forma Adventure boots are awesome for new ADV riders.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.